Okay, so we've just done a checkout with this particular tenant. I think single mum, earns enough, has referencing, has a guarantor as well. She didn't stay the full 12 months. She wanted to leave early, wasn't very nice about it. I said fair enough, as long as we find a replacement tenant. Find a replacement tenant, just done checkout, and she's left the property in an absolute tip. So this is all the stuff she's left. So this property was newly refurbished, like literally a brand new property. When we gave it to her, there's holes all over the walls, left that. Damaged brand new door. Thing as a tip, left that, left the toiletries, and left the big trampoline. Left all that for us to do. So what I've done is I've asked Alex to come, do the minor maintenance, have a look, redecorate the walls. Then I'll ask Helen to do a deep clean, including a carpet clean. We've asked Ken to come and do the front and back garden, and then we've asked, or I will ask Carl to come and collect all the rubbish. He's left a lot of rubbish here. All that, for example. Let's come and collect the rubbish. We've already tenanted it, so what we need to do now is just turn this property around so it's in pristine condition for the new tenant. And this will almost certainly come off her deposit, and her guarantor would also need to contribute towards this as well, because it's an absolute tip.